Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that SushiSwap is moving inside in another falling wedge pattern, and this was my last video that I shared almost 4 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past few days it is moving at the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern that is happening here on this 7-day time frame chart. And after the breakout, the price line was moving inside this rising wedge pattern, and after the breakdown we had a big drop, and now it has formed this falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for order, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 4th of September 2024. And you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of SushiSwap. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. By the way, before that, it broke down the support of this rising wedge pattern. You can see that when we broke out the previous falling wedge pattern here in the month of October 2023, since then it was moving inside this rising wedge pattern. And here in the month of April 2024, we broke down the support and it was still moving inside this falling wedge pattern. The technical target for the breakdown from this rising wedge pattern was here at the bottom of the wedge. That was approximately at 53 cents. And by the way, while moving to the downside, the price and also completed a head and shoulder pattern as well. This was the left shoulder and the head and the right shoulder of this head and shoulder pattern. And the technical target for the breakdown from this head and shoulder pattern, this was the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. And the target for this breakdown was, by the way, here. That was at this support, at this long-term support of 48 cents. And you can see that the price, and after testing this long-term support, bounced very well. By the way, previously it was working as support here as well. And now you can see that recently the price line has once again reached the resistance of this next falling wedge pattern that is formed here on this daily time frame chart. And if the price line will be once again rejected by the resistance, then it can once again test this long-term support of 48 cents. And in case of breaking it down, it can test the support of the wedge somewhere here, approximately at 35 or 36 cents. And in case of breaking out this wedge, because this is the bullish bias pattern, therefore there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down. Then technical target for the breakout will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $2.17. And if the price line reaches there, then it can also break out this long-term resistance zone as well. That starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone has been previously working as a resistance zone here, and resistance on here, resistance on here. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance. And now if we take a look at the final target for this very, very massive breakout that has happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. And that target can be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at $22. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.